How would you like to know how I sell? How have I sold my items in my genre and been so successful at doing that over the last 20 years on eBay and the last 35 years out and about, having shops, doing markets, selling on Facebook, and selling on eBay has been my main source of income for the last 15 years. How would you like to know how I do that? Because I want to give that to you. I want to give that to you for free. And I'm not going to charge you anything. You don't have to sign up for anything, okay? There is a reason. There is a real reason why I get up every morning and there are orders sitting in my eBay folder. There is a reason why when I used to go to flea markets that I would have people lined up at my table. There's a reason why other store holders would walk past and they'd grumble at me. There's a reason why when I had my shops that people would drive 2-3 hours and they would drive past 4 well-known comic shops right through Brisbane and they'll drive right past them and they came to my shop. There's a reason for that. There's a reason why I've always got orders on my eBay account every Monday morning when I wake up after a big weekend sale. There's a reason why when I go to toy fairs, I walk out of there with thousands and thousands of dollars in my pocket. Like, there's a reason. There's a reason why, and I want to give all this information that I've learnt over 20 to 30 years of doing business. I want to give that to you absolutely free. And all you have to do is watch an 8-minute YouTube video every now and again. I'm going to put one on every week for this series. Okay, this is a brand new series I'm doing. And all you got to do is watch it. I don't want any money. All I want you to do, if you really want to help me out, is hit that like button. That helps my YouTube channel out. And I want you to tell me about your success. Once you're up and running, I want you to tell me about it because I want to hear that. That's what drives me. I want to hear that you've succeeded because I told you 10 things and you took 2 of them and you ran with it and you made money. It is very possible to do what I do, okay, and get to the stage where I am now, where I'm fully retired and I just have sheds full of my stock. And when I need money, I just go in and pull a couple of items out and I sell them. And it's not uncommon for me to pull an item out of my shed that I bought a year ago for $7 and sell it for $1,000. Okay, and I will show you how to do that. I will let you know little tips, little tricks, where to find stuff, and I will tell you where to find your packaging supplies. I will tell you where to get free boxes if you need free boxes. Okay. To start you off, you've got to buy packing tape. You've got to get void filled chips. You've got to buy bulk boxes as well. I'll show you how to do all that. I'll also show you how to go step by step through little things that you can do on your either your Facebook site or your eBay store. That's mainly where I've sold online anyway. I've worked on eBay for 2 days a week for the last 10 years. And had 5 days off, okay? And I've usually made more money in those 2 days than my usual jobs working full-time gave me, okay? So that's why I stopped working full-time. And then I realized pretty quickly that I could work 2 days a week and be very comfortable, okay? So I want to give those tips to you, okay? Now, there won't be any flash items. There won't be any, there's no flashy backdrops. You can see back there, there's you know, there's not going to be any of that. I can put bloody fancy stuff out there, but that's just not me. Okay, I want to give you no bells and whistles. What? Hang on. What are we? Here we go. Here, put this in. There you go. There's an R2D2 for you to look at. You can look at that while we're doing the video. That's fine. But there's plenty of stuff. I can do all that crap. I can put the YouTube plaque out there at the back there, or the pot plant in the corner. You know, I can do all that crap, but that's just all bullshit to me. All right, so getting back to it. This is what I want to do for you guys. I want you to subscribe, and I want you to keep an eye on the new videos coming because I will show you how to sell, how I've been able to sell, how I've retired so early, and it's strictly been from eBay, really. I do a few things on Facebook, and I have my Facebook sites, and now I do the YouTube channel. Okay, I want to show you how I've done it. Please comment below too if you've got something to tell me, and if you want me to do a video on anything, like if you don't know how to do something on eBay, or you don't know how to put a listing on Facebook or something, let me know. I'll go through and I'll sit in front of the computer and I'll do a screenshot and I'll show you how to do it, okay? I don't mind doing that, okay? As long as you watch it, all I want you to do is like it. That's all I ask. And I want you to tell me about your stories, okay? I want to see your success. I love seeing people's success stories, and I've helped so many people start on eBay and become very successful sellers, okay? And they've bypassed me. I want to show you how to do that. I want to show you how to be better than me, because I'm going to give you 20 years of experience, and I'm going to tell you 20 years of mistakes that I made. Whereas if I could go back now with the knowledge I've got and put that into a 20 or 30-year-old me, I would have been retired 10 years earlier than I have been, okay? So lots and lots of good quality videos going to be coming out in this series. All the little tips and tricks that I use that I've learnt over 20 years. Now, when I started eBay, there was nothing like this. There was no Google. You guys are so lucky to have phones. You're walking around with the phone, walking around with your phone. This is your magic weapon. Like, I would have killed to have one of these 20 years ago, okay? Little tiny things that you can do. And if you watch 10 of my videos and you walk away with one thing, it will make you more money. It will make you a better person. It will make you a better seller, okay? All stuff that I didn't get taught, and I had to learn myself. I will show you how to buy things for pennies, for absolute pennies. Like the other day, I sold a $1,700 Star Wars toy that I paid $4 for. All right. Now that's not just a one-off for me. That's that happens quite regularly. I can go and grab something now that I paid $7 for, and it's on eBay for $250. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. All right, it is doable. Of course, deals like that don't come around every day, but they are out there, and you can get them. All right, I'll show you how to do that. And please do me a favor, when you do click on the videos, watch them right through, okay? Because there's little snippets I'll give you, little Easter eggs, okay? If you fast forward through the video, you're not going to learn anything. Then they're not going to be long videos, 8 minutes. Everybody's got 8 minutes, 10 minutes. I want you to succeed, just like I have, okay? I'm happy to see you succeed. That's my passion, that's my payment, to see other people succeed. As a few people have succeeded that I've given tips to, okay? I've seen people that are doing way better than me, but they're younger. They're younger and they've got more time, and they can do it. You could take what I do in 2 days, and if you did it in 5 days, my goodness, you pay your house off. You pay your house off in 5 years. Okay? I've already paid my house off, so I'm fine with that. I'm happy to muck around on eBay and on the computer for 5 hours a week to make $1,000 or whatever, because I just put that back into the stock market or into cryptocurrency anyway, and just make other kinds of money. But that's a whole other video. All right.